So coming next to the library. So lib is here used to use the libraries that are present already in the TypeScript. So if we increment this, then our normal file will show an error console, because console is that this is not defined in the, it is only defined in the libraries. So if we uncomment this, if we comment this again, then this error will be removed, because now it must include library. So see, I have no error right now. So list function is mainly what the set of bundled library. So in all libraries are included until it's uncommented. Until it's commented. And if we uncomment this, then libraries we have to define in this. So coming to the allow.js, so this is for JavaScript part. So allow.js is true, so it allows JavaScript file to be part of the program. So if this is will be true, then it allows the JavaScript files to be, if any file that TypeScript file, if it run the command tsc, then it will convert this. So it will make the part JavaScript file to be a part of our program. And check.js does not compile the JavaScript file, but it only checks the errors in the program. So coming to the source map, it will help us in debugging and developing of the program. To understand, though, we have to go to the console. So from this, please as this w right. So I will go ahead and go to the sources here. So here we will see that the JS files we have used for this app, app.js and another.js. So there's our file. Clear all this. So mainly we are using straight all the code that we are right there is from here. So the sources we all get the both JS files. Now turning it on, just increment it. We'll see that if we run this, run this code, we yes, we'll see there are two files with a map, that another.js.map and another file with function.js.map and our main file app.js.map. When we go to this, then it will show some different values that map these values that can be seen, that can be understood by the browser only, not by the user. So if we go there and see, we have both our TS files here, both of another.js and app.js. We both have app TS file right there. So we can now easily debug from here. If next to this, that outer is mainly used to just specify the output directory. So if we want to specify, if we want to save our output file anything in the special directory, then we can implement this and just write the directory, right? Like we write to save in a folder. So automatically our files will save, output files that are JS files will save in this folder. There is another which is rootdir. Rootdir means where we want to save our input files. Input files means the .ts files. So root directory means to the directory where we want to save our .ts file, means the input file. We can just specify the address here where we want to save our files. Now coming to another point, there is no point emit on error. So if this is on, then it will not emit any JavaScript file if there was an error. So for example, if there was an error, we delete, but we don't have any files right now there. So let's delete this app.js file. Now if we run csc, we have if we have some no, again did this, so make an error here. As you know, this is an error, so save it. Save this. So if we run this, then we see that so here JS file will be solved. So let's delete it, and if we make it true right here, then we run save it, save this, and then go to the app.ts file. Now run this tsc. If we check that by making it true, it does not make any JS file, so it will as the work of this, so it will no emit, no means make no JS file regarding to the TS file if we do this. So by default it will be false. So coming to the another point, which is strict. So mainly make it on is just similar to make all these things on in the there up to this. So if we on all these things, let me note all these things similar to that, if means both if this on and all this on, all are both are equals.
Please note that if you had a variable,
Understanding first and so we should make it false as all are already true. So first mainly make comment it. So go to this file, make a function that add with parameter and then let's say return one plus one. And here we make another, so call it dot at dot passing the argument at 3. So as you see here, showing the error that parameter is implicit as any type, because here we do not define any type of this. So in a function we have to define the type of the function. So this error will be removed if the type of the. So you see now this error has been removed, but by using that this non implicitly false, so Now this show does not show any arrow. So this is used when this only use only when this shows no, not an arrow. Make it forward, right, save it again. Now again showing arrow because we went that portion.